Hello, hope you are having a good day. Let's look at the top crypto news from across the world. First up, Bitcoin records first weekly green candle in 3 months. In the past week, Bitcoin and the broader cryptocurrency market have demonstrated a significant trend reversal by gaining 8% in a short period of time. Following its decoupling from US equities, the largest cryptocurrency in the world has been attempting to catch up with this relief bounce. Bitcoin has had a week of volatility. However, the cryptocurrency has been able to record its first green weekly candle in 3 months. As of this writing, BTC is trading at $31,200, up 6%, with a market cap of $595.7 billion, according to figures from CoinGecko. Earlier in the week, Bitcoin was able to reach a peak of $32,000, but the jubilations were short-lived as sellers jumped in and knocked the price back down to where it has been for the past few days. According to technical charts, Bitcoin continues to trade well above its 200-day moving average, DMA. Historically, it has reached its lowest point near 200 DMA or slightly below, which is 25% lower than its current price. Binance allegedly aided $2.35 billion money laundering. An inquiry into the world's largest crypto exchange, Binance, financial activities by Reuters, reveals that the exchange platform has aided in laundering no less than $2.35 billion in corrupt funds over a 5-year period. In a recurring pattern, as published by Reuters' investigation report, Binance has helped launder money originating from scams, hacks, investment frauds, illegal drug sales, a foreign exchange violation case among others in the last 5 years. Reuters' report details several cases of money laundering on the crypto exchange. Darknet markets laundered $839 million. Crypto scams like the Finico Ponzi scheme, Cyberstorm fraud case, Thodex scam, laundered over $1.29 billion. Funds from hacks also amount to $27 million. The U.S. government also hired crypto researcher Chainalysis to monitor illegal flows, and it was reported that Binance received criminal funds, totaling $770 million in 2019 alone. Another report by Crystal Blockchain showed that a Russian-language site called Hydra used Binance to make and receive crypto payments worth $780 million. On the 5th of May, Binance published an article namely, Crypto and Money Laundering, An Inconvenient Truth. Here, the exchange platform points out that people against crypto always think crypto is worthless, or it's a money laundering scheme. The article reads, unlike cash, which is nearly impossible to track, blockchain has proven to be one of the most powerful tools for law enforcement. The immutable, public nature of the blockchain makes crypto a poor choice for money laundering. PancakeSwap, Cake, soars 9% as Binance Labs makes a strategic investment. The price of PancakeSwap's native cryptocurrency, Cake, skyrocketed by as much as 9% today as Binance Labs revealed a strategic investment into the decentralized exchange. PancakeSwap is the veteran and leading decentralized exchange on the BNB chain, and it has been the predominant one in terms of overall trading volume since its launch. Today, the investment arm of the world's largest cryptocurrency exchange, Binance Labs, revealed that it has made a strategic investment into the utility and governance token of PancakeSwap, Cake. The announcement stated, PancakeSwap has been leading the development and mass adoption of BNB chain. Given that PancakeSwap is the most widely used dApp and the DeFi project with the highest TVL on BNB chain, we have and will continue to provide strong support for the project. The announcement doesn't reveal the sum of the investment, but it had an immediate impact on Cake's price. Tron DAO's USDD is now over-collateralized by over 200%, a first for algorithmic stablecoins. The recently launched Tron-based algorithmic stablecoin of USDD is now collateralized by over 200%, with a guaranteed minimum ratio of 130%. According to the team at Tron DAO, USDD's collateral ratio is now higher than DAI's at 120%. Consequently, USDD is the first algorithmic stablecoin to be collateralized by over 200% with a minimum ratio of 130%. Further checking the Tron DAO Reserve website reveals that USDD's Bitcoin reserves have increased to 13,040 BTC. To mark the new USDD milestone, Tron's founder and former CEO, Justin Sun, pointed out that the over-collateralization of USDD was a giant leap forward with the potential of ushering in a new phase for stablecoins. He also promised to strengthen the USDD ecosystem to create an increasingly decentralized future for users far and wide. In addition, Justin Sun announced that the Tron DAO would work towards guaranteeing a 30% interest rate on USDD. Twitter may not get its crypto-friendly owner, Elon Musk, seeks exit from deal. The latest chapter of Elon Musk's Twitter acquisition may be the saga's last. A new letter to Twitter's general counsel alleges that the company hasn't met its obligations in closing the deal. The Tesla and SpaceX CEO said he's been eager to gather precise data on spam and bot activity on the platform. In May, Musk said that the $44 billion acquisition was temporarily on hold until he could verify that fewer than 5% of Twitter users were fake. But, according to Musk's counsel, Twitter has only ever provided details about its methodology for measuring such activity, not exactly how much of it occurs. Twitter's latest offer to simply provide additional details regarding the company's own testing methodologies, whether through written materials or verbal explanations, is tantamount to refusing Mr. Musk's data requests, reads the letter prepared by Musk's attorneys. It continues by stating that Musk doesn't find these methodologies adequate and that he must conduct his own analysis. Perhaps most important, however, this tussle has been deemed a clear material breach of the two parties' merger agreement and gives Musk the right to terminate the merger agreement altogether. If the deal falls through, the social media platform may never see a host of crypto-infused upgrades Musk has hinted at since the deal began gaining traction. Thank you for joining us today. If you like the video, please hit like and subscribe to the channel to stay up to date with crypto world.